He got his face in it. Whoa, look at the birds.
Yeah, they will. And the moon.
Look at the birds, they're just like, shit.
Crazy red moon.
You can see them.
And the wheel. Wheel in the background. There they go. Well, I like them ones. Yeah, I've always liked them ones. Them ones are cool, aren't they? They're like gold and then they go blue.
There's going to be 1 trillion videos on fucking Facebook now of all these fireworks. That was it. Game over. Oh, here comes another one. So,
It's been really quiet.
right, it's gone really quick.
They seem really quiet. Well, look at the moon. It's crazy. Whee! Well, there do they pop. There we go. Oh, they're pretty. Ah, look at them. They're pretty. Oh, they're cool. They remind me of Harry Potter. Wizard of the Waverly Place or something. Whoa, that was loud. Whoa. Ah, little baby ones. Little baby ones.
Try for that. My arm's aching.
No, I was just on a video.
Whoa, I like them ones that do that. Like they're gold and then they go into colour.
That's enough of that. It's going on forever, that was. My fucking cock's aching. Getting cockache with that one, mate. Sorry, I spoiled your video. Closer.
Why?
Right, mate.
Nah. Yeah, I like them ones. Like gold, and then they go into colour. Don't know why I like them so much, but they're just cool. The moon though, look at the moon, that's cool. You got the boas and the moon, that's mad. Whoa, they're bright.
Street light.
Wow, that one was cool, wasn't it? They're cool, them ones. Oh,
Wow.
they're cool, aren't they? I like them ones. This is the way they go, no noise in it.
I've got the moon in the shot as well back.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh, Christmas! Like Christmas trees.
Pardon me.
God, look at all that ash burning at the bottom there. It's mad. See all that ash burning, babe, at the bottom. Whoa, they're pretty. Whoa.
See some in the sky as well.
Whoa. Whoa.